Hi friends, this recipe is on how to make a peas pulao. It is simple, flavorful, uses basic ingredients, and the best part is there's no chopping that's involved. I will share all the tips and tricks to get this flavorful, fluffy, separate rice. So stick around. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and show some love. So let's get started. I've taken a pot, put in some oil, and the spices that I use are cinnamon, there is cardamom or elaichi. I'm putting in 1 bay leaf and jeera or cumin. You can check the exact quantities in the description box below. And we're just going to roast it a bit. And now I'm going to add in this stock cube or a bouillon cube. I've used a Maggi cube. You can use a vegetarian one or even the chicken one or the meat one as per your preference. Now we're just going to mix it with the oil and spices, and we'll make sure that the cube is well dissolved. There are no lumps over there. And I've taken now the basmati rice, washed it a couple times, maybe like 3 to 4 times, and add it in the pot. So now this is the important part of making a pulao, adding the right quantity of water. So follow what you do. If you're doing the 1:2, do that. What I do is I add water in the pot, and once I level the rice, I dip my finger in it. So it should be 1 inch above. So it's like the first line of your finger, that's approximately 1 inch. So you measure and add that much water. Put in the salt. Don't go too heavy on the salt because even the cube has enough salt. So you have to be careful when you add the salt. Now at this point I also put in the peas. I'm using your frozen peas because it's mostly available at home and the freezer, so I use that for this quick pulao. Or you can also use fresh peas. So we're going to cook this for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes when I open the lid, I see the peas and the spices all come on top of the rice. So at this point I like to give it a stir so that the peas and the rice are mixed well along with the spices, and keep it covered now for 7 to 8 minutes. After around 8 minutes, when I open it up and give it a gentle stir, there is no water that is there bubbling away, and the rice is still uncooked. But at this point there is some amount of water. So we are not going to add any water, and we are going to cover it completely and let it be as it is. So keep it covered for around 20 to 25 minutes. And after that time, when you open it, we will start from the side. So use a wooden spoon or a flat spoon, and we gently try to break the pulao from the sides. We don't want to break the rice, but yes, there can be lumps like this, as you can see. So they will separate out eventually because rice is starch and carbohydrates, so they tend to clump up. So we have to just be gentle at this point. You can see this lovely pulao is ready to be eaten with any curry or plain, as I like it. You can check out my other recipes, guys. I've made a veggie pulao. Also there are yummy curries that will go well with this pulao. So do check it out and let me know how you like it. Look at the fluffy rice, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.